At Elite Roofing and Gutters, we take pride in delivering top quality roofing solutions, and we have the awards to back it up. We're honored to be recognized as a GAF Triple Excellence Award winner, not just once, but back to back. This award isn't just about recognition. It represents our commitment to the highest standards in roofing, training, and installation. GAF, the leading roofing manufacturer in North America, awards the Triple Excellence Award to contractors who demonstrate exceptional performance in 3 key areas: ensuring every roof we install meets or exceeds industry standards for quality and durability, providing homeowners with the best warranties and peace of mind for their investment, keeping our team trained and certified with the latest techniques and technology to deliver top-tier service. Winning this award means we are among the elite in the roofing industry, setting ourselves apart with craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. Back-to-back wins show that we're not just great once, we consistently raise the bar year after year. When you choose Elite Roofing and Gutters, you're choosing a company that puts quality, protection, and expertise first. We're proud to be your trusted roofing experts and continue providing award-winning service to our community. If you need a roof that stands the test of time, backed by industry-leading warranties and expert installation, give us a call today. Thank you for trusting Elite Roofing and Gutters, your back-to-back GAF Triple Excellence Award winner.